The IELTS Writing Exam. IELTS is a proficiency exam, which means that it tests your general ability to use language. Unlike an exam for a particular subject at school or university, you do not know what the topic will be on an IELTS exam. This means that there are no shortcuts to achieving a high score in IELTS. Pauline Cullen, an IELTS exam writer, said IELTS is like cooking. She said that it is impossible to produce restaurant-quality dishes if you do not first learn basic cooking skills. Some people think that you can get a high IELTS score by learning all the tricks. It is true that there are many useful tips to learn, but there are no secrets or cheats that will let you trick the examiner. No magic ingredient that will make an average dish taste amazing. If you want to cook well, you need a lot of knowledge and skill using flavors, aromas, colors, and cooking methods. And it really helps if you enjoy cooking. So my advice is to try to enjoy learning English and practicing your writing. This will get you to your goal of Band 7 much faster. For many people, cooking and eating regular meals at home is good enough most of the time. It fills our stomachs and tastes okay. Unless you are a professional chef, you don't normally need to cook restaurant-quality food in your daily life. In the same way, unless you are using English for a special reason such as studying at university, you don't normally need to produce IELTS-style academic writing at a Band 7 level. For this reason, many of us, including native English speakers, don't have the knowledge and skills needed to write an IELTS-style essay. If you are aiming for a high score in IELTS, you will not achieve your goal with a basic level of knowledge and skills. You need to work hard to really understand the language and the task. In this course, we're going to develop a deep understanding and appreciation for what makes a good IELTS writing task. I will give you my secret recipe for a Band 7 IELTS writing task. But remember that even the best recipe can still turn out badly if the cook is inexperienced. This is why only completing the course is not enough. You must practice your writing and develop your skills, which could take some time. In the course, we're going to focus only on writing task 2, which is an academic essay. For this reason, even if you do not need an IELTS writing score, you will still learn a lot which will help you with your academic writing in English. We are going to explore grammar quite deeply because it is through grammar that we make meaning.